for this first trick, we're gonna pretend we put the coin inside our hand. However, in reality, we're gonna put it in between our thumb and index fingers. Now, just a piece of advice here, guys. You guys wanna press down strong on the coin so it stays there. Or I know some people prefer to apply glue, but that's up to you. Then just make sure that you cover the coin with your other hand whenever you're showing both hands to the spectator so that they never see the coin. And when you bring it back, all I'm gonna be doing here is I put the coin inside, and keep in mind that you can bring up the coin however you want. So for this second trick, you want to bring the coin in between your middle finger and your index finger, almost as if it was about to leave your hand from this hole here. And then you're going to make a motion so that the coin goes up, then you catch it with your other hand and you put it on top of the hand where you first put the coin. So at some point the coin is going to be in the air, but it's going to be invisible. So what you need to practice is to bring the coin up and then catch it with your other hand, just like this. This is almost impossible for naked eye to perceive. However, what is happening in reality is that at some point you bring the coin, it's in the air, you catch it with your other hand, nobody sees that, and then boom, the trick is done. And finally, this one requires just one move. Probably some of you already noticed it at the beginning of the trick, but all I'm doing is switching the coin from one hand to the other as fast as I can. And in this case I'm using a pencil just because it kind of brings the attention away from the viewer. You gotta just keep practicing this move as fast as you can, as much as you can, and that's gonna be it. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, as well as follow us on our social media if you want to get some updates.
Te había salido. Es que la clave es esa, güey. La clave es solo